Have you ever wanted a beautiful backyard, but held back because you thought it would cost a fortune? You're not alone. So many of us assume that lush, peaceful, tropical gardens are only for people with big budgets and big yards. But what if I told you that the most soulful gardens in 2026 are being built for under $100? Welcome to Relax Gardens, where we believe beauty grows from creativity, not credit cards. In this video, you'll discover budget-friendly garden design ideas for small backyards that are practical, serene, and deeply personal. We'll show you how to use thrifted furniture, propagated plants, repurposed materials, and smart layout tricks to create a space that feels lush, intentional, and calm without spending much at all. These aren't theoretical ideas, they're real solutions, tested in micro backyards from Lahore to Lisbon, that prove you don't need money to make magic. So if you're ready to stop waiting and start building your peaceful retreat on a budget, you're in the right place. Stick around, because by the end, you'll see your small space not as a limitation, but as a canvas waiting for your vision. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our grounded, affordable garden secrets. Now let's grow beauty without breaking the bank. Let's start with layout, because smart design costs nothing. The key
Create flow, not stuff. Instead of filling your yard, design a circular path using gravel from a hardware store, $10, or broken tiles collected for free that leads to a single focal point. A repurposed wagon planter, a thrifted chair, or a simple copper bowl fountain. Now your space feels curated, not cramped. Have a narrow side yard? Think in experiences, not square footage. Back, vertical garden on a free pallet. Middle, bench from stacked wooden crates. Front, winding path with solar lights, $12. Suddenly, it's not a gap, it's a journey. Now lighting, the secret to nighttime magic on a dime. Skip expensive fixtures. In 2026, ambiance comes from solar string lights draped over a DIY pergola, $15. Mason jar lanterns with tea lights, free jars, $2 candles. Uplighting on plants using dollar store LED spotlights. And here's a free trick, a mirror from a thrift store, $5, mounted on a wall, angled to reflect your greenery. It silently doubles your space without adding a single plant. Even your flooring can elevate perception. Curved paths, textured gravel, a hidden turn. These cost little but make 60 square feet feel expansive. Remember, a budget garden isn't about what you spend, it's about what you see. Now, let's bring life to your space with plants and pieces that cost almost nothing. Start with plants you can get for free. Ask friends for pothos or monstera cuttings. They root in water. Grow fern spores from fallen fronds. Propagate peace lilies from division. Then plant them in upcycled containers, old boots, colanders, enamelware, anything with drainage. Short on floor space? Go vertical with free materials. Hang bottles from a pallet wall. Use an old ladder as a plant stand. Mount guttons on a fence for herbs. Now furniture, where thrifted beats trendy. Visit secondhand stores, Facebook Marketplace, or curb alerts for wooden chairs, $5 to $15, dresser drawers turned into planters, old doors become tables or trellises. Sand, paint, or oil them, and they'll look intentional, not tired. And always protect negative space. A patch of gravel, an open area under a pergola. These quiet zones cost nothing but let your garden breathe. Even your decor should serve you. Fabric scraps equal outdoor cushions. Glass jars equal lanterns. Broken tiles equal path edging. Your goal isn't to fill every inch. It's to create real moments. Morning coffee and a repurposed chair. Evening tea under string lights. And with these 2026 ideas, you can, using mostly what others throw away. Coming up, the emotional truth that turns a budget garden into a sanctuary. You don't need money to create peace. You don't need perfection to find beauty. You just need one idea and the courage to try it. Because a garden built on a budget isn't lesser, it's more meaningful. It's the pride in a chair you restored yourself, the joy in a plant grown from a friend's cutting, the calm that comes when you realize paradise was always within reach. That feeling, it's possible, even in your tiniest space, and you've just learned how. How to design depth with free materials. How to light your nights for under $20. How to grow lushness from cuttings. How to create calm, not clutter. This isn't just gardening. It's reclaiming joy, one thrifted chair, one propagated leaf at a time. So start small. One string of lights. One repurposed planter. One cutting in a jar. And as your garden grows, so will your sense of possibility. If this video helped you see budget gardening in a new light, please tap like. It helps others find affordable inspiration, too. Subscribe to Relax Gardens, because small spaces deserve big soul, and peace shouldn't cost a fortune. And hit the bell so you never miss our practical, planet-friendly garden magic for 2026 and beyond. Your future self, the one breathing deeply in a garden you built with your own hands, is already thanking you. Thank you for watching. From all of us at Relax Gardens, go grow your paradise. However small, however simple, it's waiting.